here at the Ironworks in Oswestry at a car meet is Dan, person who drove me here. Here is Logan, my friend. Both of these are my friends from college. We've got an Aston Martin DB9.
Absolute beauty.
Porsche GTS.
Porsche GTS.
We have an old Riley. Don't see many of these, but Rover 75, Peugeot RCZ down there.
It was all in black cables originally, but it was all quite dim. It just boosted however it wanted to boost. It was annoying, so I took it all off and started again.
I believe this is a Toyota Aristo. Here it is, Toyota Aristo. If I can get a better angle on this. There's a Toyota Aristo. We got a WRX compressor. Pretty nice. Puma SD. Not sure if people are into Puma SDs. Let's sneak down here. And we're gonna go this way around. Or the other way actually. Because all the interesting cars are down here. We got TVR there. Another Subaru. Next to another Subaru. Wait, another Subaru. So here we have a Lotus. Never seen one of these before, but apparently it's a type of Noran. Elan SE. Got a nice Subaru here with OZ Racing rims there. We also have the TVR here, next to the Subaru, next to the Impreza. Very nice. So I have a Porsche, got two boxes here. Color coded seat belts and center console. Very nice. Now we got a Nissan here. I have to check what type of Nissan next to the Rally Subaru. Let's go check what Nissan this is again. I have forgotten already. Yeah, if you want to see photos from this meet, go follow me on College and School Life 2022. This is a Nissan Bluebird. Look how... What is the size of my hand? I got big hands, okay. It's got a carbon fiber rear wing, very nice. Rally interior. Very nice. No, funny thing is about this BMW, well, the crazy thing should I say, so it's got a V12 in it. MGTF, very nice. So I'm not sure if this is a Mini Cooper, an Austin Mini, or a replica, so let me know. Look at the rims on that though. Got a Fiat Coupe there. I'll go check what this one is again. I believe this I already filmed. Yeah, it's an 840 CI Sport. So I believe these used to have V12s in them. Unless I'm thinking of another model. Moving on to the Fiat Coupe. Brembo brakes. 20 valve turbo. There's see the interior there, but yeah, just about to see the interior. Door handle, quirky. And this is the back. We also have a Celica over there and a Honda Del Sol. We got a Boxer here. Oh, hello. Chevrolet, hello. Stay tuned for photos on that. I believe this is a E92 M3. This is a BMW E30. Not sure it's the same one I found recently, but go over here, we got the little green Miata. Got a Porsche. I believe this is a Silvia from the year 2000. We have an R8 here, V10, with a girl on the side. It is very nice. Now, make our way down here. We will see a Westfield. So this is basically a kit car based off the Lotus 7 or the Caterham 7, I think. But still, literally next to a Ford Probe. I love these cars, I don't know why. But yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Not much room for luggage, eh? But I think you got luggage there. But wow. So I know whose this Toyota Sora is. I'm stepping in wet gravel mud, not very good. Alex, if you're watching this, I found his car again. Got 2 double-decker buses over there as well. Another lovely M4. And we have, I believe, a Silvia here. Color-coded wheels, so I'm assuming he takes this drift in due to the rear wheels being a different color to the front and different body panel colors, and the zip tie that is holding the fucking arches.
And he's tried to zip tie the lights on.
And the lights there, but still a pretty cool car. Stripped interior. Sorry for my language there. But that is nice. That's not bad. We also have a Astra here. Not many people film these, I believe. MSD rims. Vauxhall MSD? Could be wrong. These BMWs I get confused with, but let me know. If you like your BMWs, here you go. It appears we have a tank down there. And sculptures. Alright, let's scurry over here and film the Chevrolet that's just come in. Make my way through the gravel. Oh, I got a Volvo that's come in as well. If you want to skip me just walking to these cars here, then just skip to the part where I'm at the cars here. So this is a Volvo 244DL. Don't know if you'll be able to see the interior. The left on that though. And we have a Chevrolet. It's got OZ Racing rims on there. You just got Brembo brakes as well. New discs. You just got, I think that's a wheel space in between there. No, I love seeing these American cars. Something you don't see every day on the road here in the UK. Can't really see them now. Got the side step, American flag on the back. Yeah, that is cool. If you see this as a thumbnail, you know why. Dan's checking out the Chevrolet. We also have a weird looking Jag over there with a, I believe, I don't know if it's a robot monkey holding a machine gun.
Terminator thing.
Or a Terminator looking design on top. But yeah. So make our way over. This Mini has a engine swap. Just put a Honda engine in it.
Has it got the
Big air filter. Well, the way they used to open these bonnets on Minis. Pretty neat. If you want to go follow him, that's his ass. If you're interested. Dual exit central exhausts on the back. Mini VTEC. Very fitting for this car having a Honda engine in it. We have a lovely Jaguar here with a V8 in it. As it says, lovely interior, very clean. We also have a Golf. I believe it's a Golf. Yeah, Golf R. So if you want to go follow this person, their after's here. If you want to go follow them, if you're interested with the Golf. Also have an R33 GTR. Or it could be an R32.
Mila. Oh, not the grass.
Rims are nice. also have a Volkswagen Caddy here next to the GTR. And Alex, if you're watching this, I wish you could have brought your yellow GTR with the cyan underglow under it. It's a GT. Lovely. And here's that Volkswagen Caddy. Next to an M4 with a steering lock for some reason. M4 competition.
I said to you that we come in the nook. It's on the side of the road.
We have a Peugeot GTI. Not many people film these, but they're not bad. Take them around the track, they can be fun. So you may recognise this Golf GTI again. This one's from the last car meet I did, as you can recognise the for sale sign on it again. So this time it's in Oswestry. So if you're interested, I'll put the number up. I know it's not my car, it's someone else's, but figured I'll help them out. Very nice, it's soft top as well. Very clean interior. Yeah, so if you want to buy this Golf GTI, there's a number, pause the video, if you're interested in buying that. Lovely Beamer here. Not stock. The front splitter and the rear wing there. Got the Vauxhall here, white wheel in the world. I believe this is an Astra. No, it's a Vectra. Oh, the body style must have got me confused with the Astra, the old Astras. That's neat. We also got another M4 competition here, lovely colour. We also got a lovely Triumph bike here if you're into your bikes. Look at that chrome, very clean. I believe we got more cars down there. So let's actually go down here and film this. I have never seen one of these. This is a mausoleum. Never seen one of these. Also, I don't know if you can see, but that little red speck right there. Oh, you can't really see. I just walked to the car. The little red Peugeot down there, behind those people, is my friend's car. So he's the one who took me here today. Dan, the one with the glasses. Ooh, need to zoom out there. Got to zoom out there, sorry. Let's walk down here and check out some of the other cars. Again, if you don't want me, or don't want to see me walking to these cars, just skip the video until I go get to these cars down here. Ooh, BMW Estate. You got a Porsche hidden on the way down here, outside the car meet. 911 Carrera 4S.
There's a couple of spaces there though.
Got a nice Jaguar here. Is this your car?
It is, yeah.
What car is it?
It's a Triumph.
Triumph. It looks nice. I like the aggressiveness on the front.
It needs it. Oh, it's a model.
That's the coolest Triumph I have seen. Ooh, noises from the Jag. Noises from the Triumph. Lovely. So we're gonna go walk back in, and yeah, unless I find any more cars parked out here, which I don't think I do, but yeah. It's activated as spoiler, yeah. My Land Carrera 4S. Very nice, sunroof open too. Right. I think we might leave it at that, unless more cars come in. If they do, like I said, go follow me on Instagram for photos and keeping up to date with car meets at college__life 2022. Thanks for watching. So today I'm here with Dan at the British Ironworks in Oswestry, at the British Ironworks car meet. We had a R8 turn in here, we had a few other taken. TVR's coming in.